So I kept on getting asked, how do you make a 2000 to 2008 Nissan Maxima fast, guru? I guess I'll tell you. The VQ35DE will fit inside of your Nissan Maxima or Altima from the years 2000 to 2008. Like, literally, they have the same dimensions. The engine in the 3.5 Maximas is the same as the VQ35DE. You're going to need this swap kit in order for it to fit, though. You're also going to need this oil gallery kit along with the whole accessory drive kit off your old engine that came with the Maxima. And you're going to stick that onto the DE. After you get everything bolted up and operating properly, you can do a nice little 62mm turbo kit or 64, depending on what you want to do, and make about 500 horsepower.
Come on, dog. Come on, dog. What is you doing? Spreading false information again? That's crazy, dog. Let me guess, you gonna block this page too, just like you blocked my main page for me calling you out about spreading false information? That's cool. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Tay VQ to be exact. Mr. RT Killer. Mr. Gap-a-lot. But anyways, that's besides the point. If y'all want to know how to make a Maxima fast, I'm going to tell you right now. The only thing that man had correct in his video was the wiring kit, which is this, the SB gallery gasket, which I do have, but you do not have to run it. I be trying to give car people their props, but this man is absolutely wrong. You cannot go buy no 350Z engine and think you just gonna put it in a Maxima. It does not work like that. That's not even a common swap for a Maxima because that just ain't it. You is not finna make no horsepower off that anyways. What we do is we take the motor from an 09 Maxima and up, and we put it in our cars. You can also take a motor from an 07 Nissan Altima and up, as long as it's a VQ35, put it in your Maxima. You can take a Pathfinder, as long as it's a VQ35, put it in your car. You could take a Murano motor, as long as it's a VQ35, and put it in your car. Perfect example, I can show you an intake manifold from a 2014 motor that I'm actually running on my car. I got the whole 2014 motor in my car, but I'm not going to show my motor today. It's a 2014 intake manifold from 2014 motor. I have a 2014 motor in my Maxima, so I'm not feeding you false information. You know, this is accurate. When it comes to modding after you've done this swap, all you're going to want to do is an intake, tune, exhaust. And when I say exhaust, I'm talking headers, full 3-inch. There's a person on the forums that makes custom 3-inch watt pipes, or you can just go to this forums and buy their headers too. You need a 3.5 intake or a 4-inch intake. And if you want a little bit more horsepower, somewhat like VTEC, buy Haltech, and now your motor is running EVT. Also, another reason why I said he's spreading false information, the last picture, the last car, that motor is not even a VQ35. That's a VQ30 with a turbo kit on it. Mans don't know what he's talking about yet again. And it's cool because I just learned y'all something. So take my information. Do not take that. 350Z engine? What? Stop. Before y'all come to my comments talking about I'm hating, I'm not hating at all. I don't even know that man. He got his lane. I got my lane.